Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel IELTS Login. Today we are going to introduce the grammar series, and the first chapter which we will be covering is the definition of grammar. So let's get started. First of all, the spellings of grammar. These are not uh, correctly written by most of the students. They commit the mistakes like GRAMMER or GREMMAR or GRAMER, but the correct spellings are GRAMMAR. Please take care of the spellings whenever you are talking about grammar. And the pronunciation of this word is grammar. It's not grammar, it's grammar. And this word grammar is derived from the Greek word grammatik, which means art of letters. Obviously, we play with the letters, we play with the words, we shift the words from one place to another. This is what we do in grammar. And currently, there are two approaches to grammar. One is the traditional grammar, and the other one is theoretical grammar. There are more types of grammars, but broadly speaking, there are two types of grammar. And the grammar which we study in our schools, the grammar which we teach to our children, that is called school grammar, or that is traditional grammar. So traditional grammar is also called school grammar. It is usually taught to the children, and theoretical grammar is a different type of grammar. And let's talk about the father. The father of English grammar is Lindley Murray, and the father of English education in India is Thomas Babington. Now let's see a couple of sentences. Rohit a class writing is the in letter. If we ask somebody the meaning of this sentence, obviously there is no meaning. The meaning is not clear. And look at the next sentence. Rohit is writing a letter in the class. Very clear meaning. Absolutely right sentence. So what is the difference between both the sentences? The first sentence has also got 8 words. Second has also got 8 words. The first sentence has also got the same words. In second sentence also the same words are there. Then what is the difference between both the sentences? Why the first sentence is meaningless and the second one has a meaning? The difference is very simple. We have put the sentences in some order, right? And in the first sentence, the words are just thrown in a sentence randomly. No order has been followed. No set of rules has been followed in the first sentence. But in the second sentence, proper rules are followed. Set of rules are there, right? Subject will come first, then verb, then object, then other things will be there. So that is what we mean by grammar. So grammar is the arrangement of different words or parts of speech in a sentence according to some set rules. In other words, you can say that grammar is the structure of a sentence. Structure of a sentence. Here I want to add one more thing. Whenever we are talking about grammar, we never talk about words. We never talk about phrases or clauses. We always talk about a sentence. Grammar of a sentence starts with the sentence and ends with the sentence. There is nothing outside the sentence, and there is nothing less than a sentence. So grammar means structure of a sentence. So grammar has something to do with sentence. It has nothing to do with words. Words are already there with us. We don't have to create any new word. We don't have to take any new word from anywhere. The words are already there with us. What are we doing in grammar? We are just arranging the words. How? According to some set rules. And where are we arranging the words? In a sentence. So what is grammar? Grammar is the arrangement of words in a sentence according to some set rules. If we look at the examples or the topics which we cover in English grammar, tenses, voice, narration, simple, compound, complex sentences, finite and non-finite verbs, tag questions, WH questions, parts of speech. So many topics are there which we cover in English grammar. everywhere we are talking about sentence. We never talk about a word. We never talk about paragraphs. We never talk about poems. We never talk about chapters. We always talk about sentences. So grammar starts with the sentence and ends with the sentence. And grammar teaches us how to read, how to write, how to understand the things. If your grammar is correct, obviously the meaning will be generated, and meaning can be easily interpreted by the audience also, by the listener also. If your grammar is not okay, then obviously the meaning will also be changed. So please take care of your grammar whenever you are writing or speaking something. I hope the meaning of grammar is clear to you. Structure of a sentence, arrangement of words in a sentence according to some set rules is called grammar. Thank you all of you. This is all from our side. I hope you find today's video useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the YouTube channel IELTS Login and set the settings to all. Keep learning, keep growing.